Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Samsung Galaxy F34. So, when I have a problem with my headphones or another Bluetooth gadget, I'm always starting on the simplest way: just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone by the power button. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the pair mode, and how to activate pair mode you will find the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for the devices, but it's still not for your Samsung. Open the settings, then swipe down to the general management and go to the reset. Now choose the network settings, and the Bluetooth is included here, so just tap on this button and tap on this button again. After that, look again for the device on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to update your system, so go back and choose software update. If you have any, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me: check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.